Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on VOXEL. When I shared my last video, at that time, VOXEL broke out the resistance of the falling wedge pattern, a very big falling wedge pattern, and it was retesting the previous resistance of the wedge as a support. And then we had a very nice rally up to $2.86, very close to $3. And we are rejected by this next resistance and dropped at the next support. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Now let's move back to this chart, and we can see that this was a quite long-term falling wedge pattern. And we can see it was entered in this wedge in December 2021. This is, by the way, the daily time frame chart. And we have a few rejections by the resistance and a few bounces by the support as well. And finally, when we got this bounce on 22nd of Feb, we had a very nice rally, and we rejected by this resistance of $2.20. And we retested the previous resistance of this falling wedge pattern as a support. And this was the time when I shared my last video with you, this video almost 1 month ago. And then finally we had a very nice rally, and the price line from approximately $1.10 rallied up to $2.86, but could not break out this next resistance of $2.26 because we did not have any closing above that level. This candle was closed at $2.19, very close to this resistance, but we can see finally we are rejected and dropped to the next support that was at $1.40. And right now we are even below than this support. And now our next price level support will be here at $1. But if we take a more closer look at this chart, then we can see that the price line has also found another support, an uptrend line support. And we can see we had a bounce here, we have another bounce here. Right now we are again dropped at this support, and once we will have another bounce, then this support will be more confirmed, and we can see that it is likely to form another up channel, because we have a rejection here, we have a rejection here, we have a rejection here. And for example, if this time we will have a bounce, then it is possible that we may test the resistance of this channel at $2.80 approximately, and in that situation it can break out this resistance of $2.20, or at least it can make a powerful attempt to break it out. However, the final target is still there at the top of this falling wedge pattern, that is approximately at $4.60 to 70 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.